dear children, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. Today we are going to start lesson 6 of social science. The name of this lesson is India Wins Freedom. In previous lesson we learned about freedom fighters. In this video we will study how we got the freedom. So let's look at some beautiful slides. The INC Indian National Congress had achieved limited success during the early years of its freedom movement. The early leaders of Congress who requested were moderates and were unsuccessful. What is moderates? These leaders believed in peaceful methods and requested the rulers for reforms. बेटा moderates leaders उनको बोलते हैं जो believe करते हैं peaceful methods में. Another group of leaders within the INC was formed who wanted to strongly oppose the English. They were called the radicals. What is radical leaders? They opposed the British rulers through strikes and boycotts. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, popular as Lal Bal Pal, were the three popular radical leaders. This is the picture Lal Bal Pal. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it is a popular slogan given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The revolutionaries. Some young people felt that the British can be driven out of India by using force against them. Some of the early revolutionaries were Aurobindo Ghosh, Veer Savarkar and Ajit Singh. Beta, what is revolutionaries? Means Krantikari. People who use violent methods to achieve their goals. Mahatma Gandhi. In 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. Gandhiji used satyagrah based on non-violence. Gandhiji हमेशा किस पे यकीन रखते थे? नॉन वायलेंस पे. अहिंसा. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर. In 1919, a meeting was held in Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar to protest against the policies of the government. This is the picture of Jallianwala Bagh. A British commander, General Dyer, along with his troops surrounded the place and ordered the troops to shoot and kill everybody. Thousands of men, women and children died on Baisakhi Day. तो इस वजह से पूरी whole country was shocked by the incidents and there was widespread of protest all over. Non-cooperation movement. In 1920, Gandhiji started the non-cooperation movement. Chauri Chaura, Uttar Pradesh, few people set fire to a police station and 22 policemen died in the incidents. उत्तर प्रदेश में चौरी चौरा पुलिस स्टेशन में आग लगाई थी. उसमें 22 पुलिसमैन डाइड हुए थे. गांधी जी वॉज अगेंस्ट वायलेंस. गांधी जी किसके अगेंस्ट में थे? हिंसा के. सो ही विड्रॉ द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट. उन्होंने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट बंद कर दिया. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट. The civil disobedience movement started in early 1930 under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. During this movement, Gandhiji led the Dandi March and broke the salt laws. Gandhiji started Dandi March. At that time, Indians were not allowed to produce salt. गांधीजी ने जब डांडी मार्च स्टार्ट करी थी, जब उन लोगों को नमक बनाने की अनुमति नहीं थी. As a protest against it, Mahatma Gandhi, along with his followers, walked from Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad to Dandi near Surat. उन्होंने अपनी यात्रा अहमदाबाद साबरमती आश्रम से कहाँ तक ख़त्म करी? सूरत. नियर सूरत, डांडी तक. गांधी जी मेड सॉल्ट एट डांडी एंड थस ब्रोक द सॉल्ट लॉ. और वहाँ जाकर उन्होंने नमक बनाया और नमक आंदोलन को तोड़ा. द सॉल्ट सत्याग्रह वॉज स्प्रेड टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द country. Come to the next movement, Quit India movement. Congress launched the Quit India movement in 1942. गांधी जी asked the people do or die. गांधी जी ने लोगों से कहा करो या मरो. Many leaders were arrested. Gandhi ji asked the people to do or die. Ram Prasad Bismil, Sukhdev, Chandrasekhar Azad took active part in it. Indian National Army INA. Subhash Chandra Bose started the INA, which was popularly known as Azad Hind Fauj. हम इनको आज़ाद हिंद फौज के नाम से भी जानते हैं. He gave the popular slogans जय हिंद and दिल्ली चलो. तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Give me blood and I shall give you freedom are also his popular slogans. He was arrested by the British government. India becomes free. After the end of World War II, in 1945, the British government agreed to leave India. However, it was decided to divide India into two countries named India and Pakistan. On 15 August 1947, India became a free country. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India and Dr. Rajendra Prasad became the first President of independent India. So, in this way, we conclude this chapter. So, my dear children, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Soon we will meet in next video with new lesson. Till then, bye. Thank you.